everyone, Hina Wajid here. I have passed my ARDMS SPI with 94% marks and now I am here to help you people. Today we are going to discuss very important MCQs about ultrasound pulse parameters, spatial pulse length, duty factor. Okay, let's start. The duty factor for imaging ultrasound systems is typically A 1, B 0.001, C 0.5, D 0.01. The right answer here is B 0.001 because in the imaging there is pulse echo technique being used. System is on only 1/1000 times. So that's why duty factor is so small, less than 1, actually being 0.001. Next, which equation correctly defines duty factor? A. Duty factor is PRP divided by PD. B. Duty factor is PD divided by PRP. C. Duty factor is PRF multiply PD. D. Duty factor is PRP multiply PD. Right answer here is B. Duty factor is PD divided by PRP because it's actually on time divided by total time. Next, continuous wave ultrasound has a duty factor of A 0, B 0.001, C 0.5, D 1. The right answer here is D. CW is always on. So duty factor is 1 or 100%. Next, if pulse repetition period increases, what happens to duty factor? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Doubles. D. Remains constant. The right answer here is B. Duty factor and PRP are inversely related. Longer PRP means shorter duty factor. Next, if PRF doubles, what happens to the duty factor? A. Halves. B. Doubles. C. Decreases by 4. D. Stays constant. Right answer here is B. Duty factor is directly proportional to PRF. So PRF gets double, duty factor increases. Next, spatial pulse length describes A. The number of cycles per second. B. The time for one pulse. C. The physical length of a pulse. D. The time between two pulses. The right answer here is C. SPL, spatial pulse length, is actually the length of one pulse. Next, which formula represents SPL? A. SPL is wavelength multiply period. B. SPL is number of cycles multiply wavelength. C. SPL is frequency multiply period. D. SPL is PRF multiply wavelength. The right answer here is B. SPL is number of cycles multiply wavelength.